Hello everyone, my name is Greg from nobsstart.com. I'm showing my video today from Vancouver, British Columbia. In today's video I will show you 3 simple steps to follow to be better writing your copy that everyone can understand. So let's dive in. I am here logged into Home Business Academy and then I'm using the Emerson Content Machine. Okay, I put in a case here, write me an email about 3 simple steps to follow to be better in writing your copy so that everyone understands, including these 3 points. Writing copy using Emerson Content Machine. Second, copy Emerson content to the Word document and rewrite the content with your voice. So that's what, and I click your Go Emerson, and I got here my email, okay, and I copy this email here. I get the, let's say it says copy it, and I go to my Word document, which is here, okay, and before you see it's that's a Word document, and that is you click of editor, and the editor is supposed to be 100% here. If it's 100% here, so you click review, and I click on editor again, and you have you see the reading easy is 61.9, FK score is 8.7, and no passive sentences. You see 0 passive sentences. Okay, so and that's how we go. And now we need to go. What we need to do is lower the FK score. Lower the FA score. How we do it this? So click OK. How we do it the FK score, I will tell you right now. So to lower the FK score, we need to use active sentence. Okay. Use simple sentence of complex sentence. Instead of complex sentence, use short and common words whenever possible. Break long sentence into short sentence. Break long paragraphs into short ones, and limit the numbers. Okay, that's more important things to lower the FK score. Okay, so now we go into the Word document again, and I modify my email here, so to apply this all things what I talked to you about you, and I have here this short email. Okay, and I click on review and editor, and you see I was able to turn down from 8.7 to 6.4, and readability from 78. Okay, if it's this score is need to be more till 100, and this score need to be lower than 8, and you good as a FK score. And that is the simple way to make your copy better and more understandable, and then that everyone can read easy. And that's what. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. We will be soon more content like this. See you then.